Hello, beautiful souls. We're already feeling the powerful energy of this upcoming full moon in Capricorn. It's happening at 18 degrees with the sun at 18 degrees Cancer and the moon at 18 degrees Capricorn. This full moon will be happening on Thursday, July 10th at 3:37 p.m. Central Standard Time. We'll get into it coming up, but welcome first to the Soul Shift in Short. I'm Holly. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe bell and give the video a like if you like it. Welcome to all new subscribers as well. Now, let's talk about the Capricorn energy. Capricorn is all about structure, responsibility, and in things for the long term, the long game. So discipline, dedication, things that you have to practice over a long period of time. But with the sun in Cancer, it's also asking us and really shining a light on the areas of our emotional foundation. So we may be seeing some cracks in that foundation when it comes to the way we have built our emotional foundation around relationships, with people, with jobs, with food, etc. And this sun in Cancer is asking us, is this structure supporting my emotional well-being, or is it suppressing it? The sun in Cancer is focused on how we feel, and the moon in Capricorn is reflecting to us where we avoid our emotions by clinging to control, people-pleasing, and perfectionism. At 18 degrees, this lunation highlights relationships, especially codependent patterns that may be keeping us stuck. So it's a powerful time to ask yourself, am I sacrificing emotional truth to keep the peace? And am I staying in dynamics that drain me just so I can feel safe? The moon is here to restructure those patterns so you can stop just surviving and start building a life that actually feels good. Leading up to this full moon, we've experienced several moon void of course periods. And these are moments when the moon isn't making any aspects to other planets. Emotionally, this leaves us feeling this cosmic silence, kind of an eerie feeling of waiting for the shoe to drop. These are powerful windows, though, of meditation and reflection, because the usual noise is gone, and that stillness has been preparing you to feel what's real. Since the moon is in the sign of Capricorn, it's being ruled by the planet Saturn, the planet of maturity and discipline. But Saturn can also represent the barriers that we experience in life. It's the things that feel heavy and immovable. And sometimes it feels like it's just the way it is. It's like a tradition. But here's the twist. With the full moon being at the degree of 18, 18 reduces to the number 9, ruled by Mars, the planet of action. But right now, Mars is in Virgo. So what does that mean? You don't need to take big action. You just need to focus on consistent, small actions that are focusing on the details. So ask yourself, what daily habits or emotional responses are keeping me small? And what structure am I ready to dissolve? And what do I want to build instead? This full moon isn't just about getting things done. It's about building a life, a business, a relationship that actually honors how you feel. And for many of us, that means breaking the cycle of overgiving, overworking, and emotionally outsourcing our sense of safety. We're not meant to do this alone, but we're also not meant to abandon ourselves in the name of gaining support or getting support from others. The moon says Build your emotional foundation first. From there, everything becomes so much easier to manage. If you're in the thick of it and you're not sure what emotional patterns are ready to go or what structure you're ready to build, I'd love to help. I offer energy insight readings either in person or online. These sessions are designed to help you tune in to your current emotional blueprint to identify blocks and map out the next best steps forward for your growth, healing, and alignment. I'll put a link in the description if you'd like to check that out on my website. If you would like more astrological guidance based on your astrology, I'll place a link to a PDF below. Be sure and check that out. It's packed with guidance for this full moon energy. Until next time, much love and gratitude to you all.